to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. So on today's video, I am just bringing you guys along with me. I am gonna go run some errands with my sister-in-law. I'm gonna go hit up Ikea, so we're gonna go see what all they have. I got a new couch, so basically I need to go get some covers. Selfie, say hi. So yes guys, I'll see y'all back at Ikea. Okay, so we finally made it to Ikea. So where are we getting at Ikea? The covers for the sofas. And it is actually my sister-in-law's first time coming, so we're about to show her what Ikea is all about. So Ikea has candles for $1.49. These are so pretty.
Two different sizes, look.
This one's 14.
No,
and this one's 19.
But does it come with the wall?
No, the hooks are gonna be different. Those are so cute though.
Not bad at all.
Look, the hooks are only $5. Oh, these are so pretty too.
Look.
Look. $12. I really like those. The music is pretty loud, I hope you can hear me, but this is the rack that I usually always get questions about over my Instagram. So it is the Fintorp and it is only $9. And then they have the hanging baskets. And those are $6.99. Then look at the shelving. I want that jarra. So cute. I'm loving the shelf though. The shelf is only $29. And they currently have 2 of them. If you guys are looking for any pillows, they have them here at Ikea. How much were these, Myra? These don't have a price, but they should be anywhere in between $4 to $6. More chairs than what you can imagine. What? What is that? The circus house?
Look at that one, Sophia.
This is like the fastest shopping tour I've given. eucalyptus leaves that they have here at Ikea are only $2.99.
And it's pretty big, look. It is.
Yeah, they are big.
You don't need, look, this is only 2 stems right there.
Yeah.
And it looks full.
I actually like this vase too.
It's pretty.
And it's only $4.99, guys. Oh my gosh.
to pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need to need that looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we are back at my sister-in-law's house, and she got this sectional, the egg torp sectional, the one that I have in my home, and we're just gonna get them ready for fall. throw blankets are a good way for you to add some holiday decor into your home. So as well for fall, it'll give you a more cozy effect. So we put a throw blanket here, and we have that one over there followed by bulbs. And then we did that decor on that table. And she had that ladder back by her TV, so that's all we just added it there. And then here, she's just gonna add another frame with something. We still don't know what, but we're gonna add something.
It's a work in progress.
Yes, it's a work in progress, so that's gonna be here. And so over on this side, she has this beautiful mantle that she got from Big Lots, and since it's about to be winter time, they are now bringing them back in stock. We are not sure if this one is in stock, but you can check. Now here, this is kind of like the vision that we're going for. She's gonna leave this lantern here. We're maybe gonna fill it up with some pumpkins to give it that fall feel. And then here she's gonna get a bigger basket, lay out her throw blanket and a pillow.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready. Yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready. Yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still craving for. I'm still wanting more. Yeah, I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, just give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change, but suddenly you're gone, always on the run, playing with my feelings like you do it just for fun.
And so now we are actually gonna be headed to my house to finish decorating over there with the new couch that I told you guys that I was gonna get. So I'll see you there. Hey guys, okay, so we are now back at my home, and this is what it looks like now with the extra seating, and it just looks so good, you guys. I really love it. I love how much more seating I have, and I don't know why, but I kind of feel like it makes my living room look even bigger for some reason. So of course I still need to style it, put some of my pillows here and a throw blanket, and make this couch cozier as well. And I think what I'm gonna do now is take off the covers from these and put them in the washer. So that is pretty much everything that I do have for all this hair. Okay, come on now, get with it, hair, get with it. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching another of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.